Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Shanay Hayes. For those of you who may not know who I am, coming to you with another video. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below so that you can get a notification every time that I upload a video. Today, guys, I want to share with you a little story about me and how I got started in this online journey. I started this journey in 2016. I was looking for extra income while I was working my 9 to 5 job. And I was also looking to replace my income. So I did a little research starting here on YouTube and I found the guy who had an opportunity available. So I followed him a few months on Facebook before I joined the opportunity. And I then joined the opportunity and I was kind of confused with the business because it was like I was just through there in that opportunity, and I was really looking for a mentor and also someone to teach me how to market online, how to market my business. I didn't know anything about branding a business. I didn't know anything about a domain name, none of that. So this guy, he had a lot of opportunities that he worked with, and he didn't stay consistent with the one program that I was in. So it was like he was a sponsor. I then went along and went inside his friends list, and I found this lady who is a online offline mentor. She's also a success coach, and I followed her for like a whole year along her journey. And then I began to join her in opportunities. So she presented this opportunity to me like 2 months ago, April the 27th. So now we're at our 2 month mark. And this opportunity earned me $250 4 days after the business launched. I'm going to repeat that again, guys. This business earned me $250 4 days after it launched. That is very quick. I earned that money faster than any money that I earned in the other opportunities that I was a part of. It took me months to earn at least $100 with other opportunities. This platform is completely task based. It's also completely newbie friendly, meaning that those of you who are new to online and you are looking to learn how to market online, this platform will teach you a step by step on how to market online, also how to brand yourself, and also how to engage with people on their posts and how to get eyeballs to your opportunity. This opportunity, all you need to do is invest 10 hours out of the week of your time to this opportunity. Not 40 hours, 10 hours. Meaning you can do 2 hours a day. Some people do only 60 minutes a day with just engaging with their people on their friends list and engaging in the groups. Now, one of the tasks that we have that earned me $250 with this platform is I have to go to my weekly webinars, which is one, and then go to my weekly trainings. Yes, we do offer weekly trainings, and we have a webinar where you can invite your prospects to the webinars where they can see how the opportunity works and what we are about. We also have a great FB community group that offers great support. We support each other in everything, and you will also find in this FB group proof that this platform works. You don't have too many opportunities that offer that with their program. We also have great success coaches, and like I said, the lady who I'm up under, who's the mentor, is also the owner of this platform, guys. So if you are looking to add additional income to your income, or you're looking to replace an income, down below I will leave the link to my website where you can check out the packages that we have available. We have packages that fit everyone's budget, and that goes from the packages that's on there that offers all of the training inside of your packages. And we also have traffic packages, which is paid traffic. So that is something else that you will learn along the platform. You will learn how to use your paid traffic along with your organic traffic, if that's how you want to put it. Okay, guys? Also, down below in the description, I will leave the link to my Facebook page. So if you guys are looking to connect with me, you can connect with me through my FB link that I'll leave down below. And I will leave the link down below for the Facebook community group so that you guys could check that out and see what we're all about. I also have another link that I will leave down below in the description that goes for our weekly webinars that are held at 7 Eastern Time. So guys, also I want to leave a tip with you guys. For those of you who are looking for a get rich quick scheme, this opportunity may not be for you, because this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a get rich overnight. I also want to tell you guys that yes, you would have to put in the time with this business. You can't just come into the business and think, oh, I'm going to make this quick $250, or I'm going to make this quick $500 just from joining the opportunity and not putting in the work. You have to complete your task, guys. So again, get with me down below in the description or in the comments. You will get all of the information that is provided to you. I hope you guys have an awesome day. And I look forward to connecting with you guys. I'll see you guys at the top.